So it's day 2 of INC 26 at Jaipur and I'm that tired. We are IQUBX. We are into modern interior systems and we do it what others are not able to do. हमारी दुनिया वहाँ से शुरू होती है जहाँ बाकियों की खत्म होती है. In the sense, I will tell you what I am trying to say. We are doing some superlative work in the field of giving solutions to the architecture and interior communities globally. We have designed systems which are patented, which are very high performance, which are highly customizable to the requirements of interior designers from the design point of view aesthetically as well as acoustically and from the point of view of the user of the spaces. And these systems not only are customizable, they can be changed in the future, they can be evolved, they can be modified as per your changing requirements. So they are in a way very conducive to dynamic interiors. And we always say we are not catalog product makers and sellers. We are into a long-term, long life cycle of systems for demanding interior of the contemporary times. So I will just tell you what we are talking about. This is a stall that we have displayed here, and we have a vertical called glass partitions. And in these glass partitions, we've got 3 verticals, we can say. The first one is the high sound insulation or high performance glass partition systems. So iske andar sound is one of the very important parameters. If you go in for LEED certification or IGBC certification, or generally if you experience yourself, the glass partition ke andar the most important thing is how much sound is going across, how much sound is dropping. So this is called sound insulation, and there's a parameter for that. You have to measure it, right? Like earthquakes are measured, so sound is also measured. How much sound is dropping is by STC, sound transmission class. So the world stops talking about 40 to 45, STC 40, STC 45. No architect, interior designer in the world is specifying more than that. And you can hear it here, STC 54, as tested by Government of India lab. And this glass partition is from, let me show you. This is the sample box that we have got. And you can see, we are talking about high performance glass partition system. And this is a partition system in which you can put a single glass, double glass, or some glass called DGU. You can see a little mock-up of that. You can have a close-up of this. And in this you can embed single glass, double glass or DGU. And with 2 12mm glass, it is giving you a, you can say generally speaking, 50 plus decibel drop of the sound going across. So it's helping people create spaces which are noise-free, disturbance-free, for high level of productivity, for temporary interiors, as well as for confidentiality and privacy. It is very important because we live in very dense environments these days, and if the sound insulation of glass partition is high, we are of course protecting our information, our privacy is there. And we have got several systems in this glass partition. Then we got the creative series. In the creative series glass partition, the entire world is creating great kind of glass partitions with mullions or Georgian bars, as they say, and they are pasted with silicone. And if they say they are not, just ask them to break one of the glass pieces here and change that glass pane only. Or let us say if you want to redo this glass partition, you cannot. You have to break it up. In our system, each of this grid, as you can see there, is fixed with the help of mechanical joinery, and you can change any of these glass. And as you can see, you can use ceramic, different kind of glasses, or wood, or stone. So a creativity, high creativity series is what we call this. And of course, there are many other glass partition systems. Apart from these glass partition systems, we are also into pods. So we are the only company, I would dare say, I will dare say in the world which is into complete modular system in which you can have a single single seater pod. You have a double seater pod or 4-seater pod, which is a room size 8 feet by 8 feet, or even bigger. Even 6-seater or 8-seater pods, completely customized to your sizes. Very high sound insulation. If an event like this is going on, you don't hear what is happening outside if you're sitting inside the pod. And we have got certain reels also. You can check it out on internet. And we are launching a new series of pods now, which is much cleaner. It is do-it-yourself kind of thing, which can be shipped in knockdown condition, flat pack, and you can assemble it with your team on your site, just by sourcing a few of the components. And this is going to be available even on e-commerce platforms soon. The thing. Now, one of the products I would like to tell you about is the ceiling tab doors. And people say, what tab doors? So this is a solution for accessing services which are inside your false ceiling. So there are a lot of services which are going inside the ceiling, be it air conditioning, fire, plumbing, and electricals, low voltage as well as high voltage, lighting, and a lot of other services. Now, to install them, remove them, modify them, change them, replace them, you need access, and that is what it is: access ceiling tab systems. And usually in the market you'll find very small size. So it is 1 feet by 1 feet. There is small trapdoors in which human access is very difficult. So if you want to replace a bin machine or you want more access, people have to break down the ceiling. Or architects, interior designers understand that they have to have bigger access, so they usually do it or some sort of fabricated jugaad. But we are the first company which we have commercially available any size, any custom size access system, which is a multi-shutter, large format ceiling trapdoor system. Which is all the shutters open like this, and they be able to slide it to one side, and we have a obstruction-free huge ceiling access available to you. And this we have sub-branded as Skyhatch, because it was becoming very difficult for us to communicate what we are doing. We are doing so much innovative work. As I said, we have got multiple patents granted, very strong USPs. But to communicate across a wide array of products, it becomes very difficult. So we have got a sub-brand now, Skyhatch, and we are also launched, besides the large format, the standard size ceiling tab doors, which we have called Skyhatch Premium. And this is going to be available in standard sizes like the rest of the world, but much better features like higher safety features, much better strength, and of course custom design finishes are also going to be there. And these are already started becoming available on the e-commerce platforms like Amazon and others. Apart from that, we have good workstation systems. We got several other patented systems like floor junction box, in which you can embed any kind of floor finish like stone or tile or carpet. And we got paneling systems. So there's a plethora of products and systems which are modular, which are high-end, highly customizable, highly future-ready, can evolve with your TV requirements in the future with very high performance. I invite you all to please have a look at our systems, because they help architects, interior designers, and space owners across the world in having much better interior spaces aesthetically and acoustically. And these systems are in a way, long-term investment in your own spaces. So I invite you all to reach out to us. We are not product sellers or system sellers. We are more of a solution providers, and we would like to be part of the team to make it work together. We are on a mission, and this mission is all about innovation and sustainability. Let's work together. Thank you.